Hajime mashite minasan. Konnichiwa. Jeiko shokai shimasu. Watashi no namae wa Julingo Roli desu. Shigoto wa desu. Watashi wa Shendor Basa Barangay Mabini. Nigoroso o Koshidintaro karakimashita. Genzai, Nonesco's Daigaku di Nihongo wo Benkyo shitaimasu. Nihongo wo Benkyo suru no wa hajimete desu. Watashi tachi no wa Torbanos Ferdinand Sensei desu. Minasan onegaikete urishi desu. Dozo onegaishimasu. Hello everyone. These are the 20 most common expressions of Japanese people. Arigatou gozaimasu means thank you. Do tashimashite means you're welcome. Sumimasen means I'm sorry or excuse me. Itsu desu ka means when is it? Doko desu ka means where is it? Wakarimasen means I don't understand. Gochisousama deshita means that was delicious. Mushi mushi means hello. Itadakimasu means let's begin. Namae wa nan desu ka means what's your name. Genki desu means I'm good or I've been doing well, thanks. O genki desu ka means how are you. Konnichiwa means hello. Mochiron means of course. Onegaishimasu means please. Oyasumi nasai means good night. Next is ki o chokete means be careful. Wasurete imashita means I forgot. Shirimasen means I don't know. Oishi desu means it was delicious. Gomenasai means I'm sorry. Sumimasen means excuse me. Doutashimashite means you're welcome. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you.